Imagine you're dead broke, staring at a $0 bank balance, and every bank laughs at your application. Or you're sitting on $500,000 net worth, wondering why your fancy card still feels average compared to what millionaires actually use. Most people get this completely wrong. They chase the best card too early and get denied. Or they stick with a basic card forever and leave thousands on the table every year. Level 1. $0 wealth. No credit. The secured starting point. If your credit score is non-existent, below 580, or you've got bankruptcies or collections, forget traditional cards. Most issuers will auto-deny you. The only realistic first card here is a secured one, where you put down a deposit that becomes your credit limit. Top pick: Open Sky Plus Secured Visa. No credit check at all. Deposit $200 to $3,000, $0 annual fee, reports to all three bureaus. A PR is high around 28%, but that's irrelevant if you pay in full every month, which you must. This is your foundation. Use it for small, planned purchases like gas or groceries. Pay it off immediately. In 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, your score climbs, and you can upgrade or get the deposit back on some cards. Alternatives: Capital One Platinum Secured. Low deposit, $49 to $200. Potential auto upgrade after 6 months. Discover It Secured. Cash back potential, deposit up to $2,500. Or Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured, 1.5 to 2% back. Avoid anything with high annual fees, like $99 plus, that eats your limited money. Brutal truth: if you can't afford the deposit or can't pay on time, stop. Fix your budget first. Credit cards aren't magic money, they're tools. Mess this up, and you're digging a deeper hole with interest and fees. Goal here isn't rewards, it's building a payment history that unlocks everything else. Once your score hits 600 plus, on-time payments for 6+ months, and steady income, test unsecured starter cards. Pre-qualify everywhere. Don't hard pull blindly. Capital One and Petal are lenient here. Level 2. Early Building. $10,000 to $50,000 wealth. Fair credit. You're working, maybe student or entry-level job, net worth starting to tick up. Now you want rewards without high risk. Best first real card: Petal 2 Visa or Capital One Platinum / Quicksilver 1. $0 annual fee, 1 to 1.5% cash back, easier approval with limited history. Chase Freedom Rise is another strong no-fee option with 1.5% flat. Why these? They report positively, build your score faster, and start teaching category spending. Pay attention to utilization. Keep it under 30%. One mistake people make: applying for too many cards at once. That tanks your score temporarily. Space applications 3 to 6 months apart. Real talk: at this level, a $200 sign-up bonus means something. But high APR, 20% plus, will destroy you if you carry a balance. The math is simple: pay in full or don't swipe. This stage is about discipline turning into better offers. Level 3. Solid Middle. $50,000 to $200,000 net worth, good credit, 670 plus. Income is steady, maybe $50,000 to $100,000 household. Credit score decent. Now you can chase actual value. Everyday winners. Wells Fargo Active Cash, 2% flat cash back, $200 bonus. Chase Freedom Unlimited, 1.5% plus. Or Capital One Quicksilver. For categories, Amex Blue Cash Preferred if you spend heavy on groceries, but watch the $95 fee. offset it, or skip. This is where stacking starts mattering. Get a Chase card and pair with Freedom for 3 times categories. Or go Capital One for simplicity. Avoid premium cards yet. The annual fees aren't worth it unless your spending justifies the credits. Warning: lifestyle creep. Just because you qualify for a Sapphire Preferred doesn't mean you should carry the fee if you don't travel. Calculate your effective return. Most middle-class people overpay for status and underuse perks. Track your spending for 3 months before picking. Level 4. Upper Middle. $200,000 to $500,000 net worth, excellent credit. Higher income, assets growing. Travel, dining, bigger purchases. Time for premium. Chase Sapphire Preferred, $95 fee, 5 times travel through Chase, 3 times dining, strong transfer partners. Excellent entry to points game. Or Capital One Venture X, $395 fee for simplicity. 2 times everywhere, easy 10 times through portal, solid lounge access. Amex Gold if dining/groceries heavy. 4 times categories, credits can offset fee. The key? Use the credits. $300 travel credit on Reserve or Uber/Resi on Gold. If you don't, it's a waste. Brutal fact: at this level, many still carry balances or ignore foreign fees on vacations. Premium cards punish that with high APRs. Your net worth is climbing. Protect it by paying off monthly and maximizing points on big spends like vacations or home upgrades. Level 5. Approaching $1 million. High net worth. Elite credit. $500,000 to $1 million. You're in the game. Now premium travel and lifestyle cards dominate. Chase Sapphire Reserve, $795 fee. 3 times dining, travel, $300 travel credit, priority pass lounges, strong insurance. Pairs amazingly with Freedom cards for trifecta. Amex Platinum, $895. Best lounges, hotel status, huge credits, $200 airline, hotels, etc., potentially $3,500 plus value if used. No preset spending limit is huge for big purchases. Capital One Venture X for lower effective fee and simplicity. For true high net worth, invitation only like JP Morgan Reserve needs massive Chase assets. Or Amex Centurion, Black Card, $250,000 plus annual spend history, insane concierge. Stack Smart, one ecosystem dominant, Chase or Amex, plus a 2% flat catcher. At $1 million, relationships matter. Private client status unlocks higher limits and better offers. Don't apply blindly, use pre-approvals. Reality check. These fees are high. If your spending isn't $50,000 plus yearly on rewarded categories, or you hate travel, the middle-tier cards still win. Many rich people waste money on unused perks. Audit your last year's spending before upgrading. Common mistakes across all levels. Carrying balances. Interest destroys wealth faster than any reward helps. Chasing sign-up bonuses without meeting spend naturally. Too many inquiries. Ignoring utilization and payment history. 35% plus of FICO. Not reading terms, foreign fees, categories exclusions. Lifestyle inflation from better cards. The latter works because responsible use improves your score and income over time, unlocking better cards. Start secured, graduate every 6 to 18 months as metrics improve. Track everything. Pick the card for your exact current level. Pre-qualify on issuer sites. Build the habit of paying in full. Revisit this as your wealth grows, Don't stagnate with a broke-level card at $300,000 net worth. Drop your current net worth and credit situation in comments. I'll point you to the right starting card. Subscribe for more no BS wealth tactics. This is how you actually climb, not just dream about it. See you in the next one.